It's 8 o'clock on Monday, the 10th of June. The headlines this morning: President Macron says he's made the serious, heavy decision to call a snap election in France after a crushing defeat by the far right in voting for the European Parliament. The Liberal Democrats are launching their manifesto with a pledge to boost spending on the health service and social care in England by £9 billion at NHS Blood and Transplant. Thank you very much.
And Helen Willits with the weather.
Michelle, thank you very much. Hello, good morning. A rather cool and showery day for many, but across the south and east of England, we have some rain. So that's Lincolnshire, the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. It's windy and there'll be some heavy rain for the next few hours. Should clear by lunchtime, and then the skies will brighten a little with a scattering of heavy showers. But there's a yellow warning from the Met Office for strong gusty winds for East Anglia, 50 miles an hour, because it's so unseasonable. And it will mean it'll feel cooler again today, 13 or 14, I think.
I had been wondering about this day for quite some time. How would I feel after the first pedal strokes into a life change and at the start of a long ride? Would I be excited? Would I be afraid? What kind of thoughts would go through my mind once the door locked behind me for the last time?
Heavy showers around with the odd rumble of thunder potentially as well.
I have ridden down Abbey Road 1,000 times. Photobombed countless pictures of Beatles fans. The time has come. I have quit work and I'm leaving England on a bicycle. The long face is not for show. I have just said goodbye to friends and to colleagues, and every street is filled with memories as I pass by the buildings where it all had started. The Royal Guards pass by me. Then I coast around Queen Victoria's statue, catching glimpses of Buckingham Palace and wondering whether it would be for the last time. Probably not. Yet, I was leaving for good, and it really felt like it. I stop by the river and look back one more time at the familiar silhouette of Canary Wharf and its towering buildings. But I'm going for a long bike ride. Greetings from leafy Kent, the Garden of England. Yesterday I left London following the Thames estuary and made it to Rochester, and now I keep following National Cycle Route 1, which goes all the way to Dover, from where I will cross the channel. So today I'm heading to Canterbury, and still feeling a little bit like a traveling circus, getting used to a heavier bike and getting used to pack it, know where everything is, and hopefully looking forward to, in a few weeks, to be able to pack it in 5 minutes rather than the 25 minutes that it took this morning. The weather is beautiful today, sunny, and much better than London yesterday. I think the city made sure to see me off with a roll of thunder, so got a bit of a wet start, but this is England for you. That's why it's so beautiful and so green. At least that's what people say, to cheer you up when you're soaked wet. So let's go to Canterbury.
Something about me has changed. Something about me has changed. I'm sleeping just fine without you. Didn't know I could. Something about me feels strange. Something is just not the same. I haven't been thinking about you, even when I should. All the lies that you told, I've forgiven. All the fights and whose fault I forgot. I've done all in my power to heal them, all of my scars. I'm getting good at letting go. I'm not there yet, but I know ain't no hope in holding on.
It's a good end to a very nice cycling day. About to reach Canterbury, and National Cycle Route 1 didn't disappoint, especially this part is really beautiful. It's just going through a thick forest.
Something about you was off. Something about you was off, but I was too blind to see it. Too in love to know. Oh, somebody told me get lost. Somebody gave a heads up, but I just couldn't believe it. Little did I know. All the lies that you told, I've forgiven. All the fights and whose fault I forgot. I've done all in my power to heal them, all of my scars. I'm getting good at letting go. I'm not there yet, but I know ain't no hope in holding on when I'm happier alone.
Just made it to Dover and its ferry port on what is quite a dull day at the moment, but at least I didn't get any rain. And 30 years ago, I suppose this is the first place I got to when I traveled to England for the first time on a bus, and would have never thought that one day I'm gonna return on a bicycle.
Done all in my power to heal them, all of my scars.
What a better place to say farewell to this country than at the white cliffs of Dover, on a narrow straight crossing that will take me to the continent. Goodbye, England, and thanks for being kind to me.